वेलकम एवरीवन टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग विद रोशन सर। हमारे चैनल के सारे वीडियोस को देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो। Here we start with the chapter trigonometrical ratios of standard angle. And here we'll learn to find the trigonometrical ratios of the angle 30 and 60 with the help of equilateral triangle. Now here we have this ABC as an equilateral triangle of the side 2A each. Now we can draw a perpendicular from A to the base BC as AD. Now we know that in equilateral triangle the perpendicular drop from the angle to the opposite base bisects the side. Therefore this BD will be equals to CD. That is, this 2A will be divided in these two and they will be equals to A each. Now the interior angle of the equilateral triangle is equals to 60 degree. Therefore angle A, B and C are of 60 degree each. And here AD is bisecting angle A. Therefore these two angles has 30 degree each. Now we can find the length of the side AD with the help of Pythagoras theorem. And here we get AB square equals to AD square plus BD square, and that is further equals to 2A square equals to AD square plus A square. Now we can find the value of AD square as 3A square. Then we can take the square root on both the sides. Now on taking square root on both the sides, we get AD equals to root 3A. And here we get the value of this side AD as root 3A. Now we can find the angles of the trigonometrical ratios for 30 degree and 60 degree. Well, let's start with the 60 degree. Now here we take sine 60, which is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. And for 60 degree, this is perpendicular and this will be the hypotenuse, that is AD upon AB. And on placing the value of AD and AB, we've got root 3A upon 2A. We can cancel out the A and we get finally as root 3 upon 2. Now similarly we can calculate for the cos 60, and here the value of cos 60 is base upon hypotenuse, that is BD upon AB, and the AB is BD is A and AB is 2A. So we have placed over here and A is cancelled out, 2 we left with 1 by 2. Now we'll find tan 60, and here we go with the tan 60. Tan 60 is equals to perpendicular upon base, that is equals to AD upon BD. The value of AD we have got root 3A and the base is A. We have placed it and cancel out, we got root 3 as the value of tan 60. So here we have got sin 60 as root 3 by 2, cos 60 as 1 by 2 and tan 60 as root 3. Now we'll find sin 30, cos 30 and tan 30. Now here for the sin 30, we are having the 30 over here, and for the 30 this will be the perpendicular, and here we are having the hypotenuse. So this becomes BD upon AB. Value of BD is A, so we placed over here, and this AB is 2A. Now A and A are cancelled out and we are left with 1 upon 2. Now let's go for the cos 30, and here we get the value of cos 30, that is base upon hypotenuse. For this 30 degree, this will base AD and hypotenuse AB. Now place the value root 3A upon 2A, A cancelled out, we are left with root 3 upon 2. Now the tan 30. Now for the tan 30, we have perpendicular upon base, and on placing the value of perpendicular BD upon base AD, we got finally as 1 by root 3. Now let's find trigonometrical ratios for the angle 45. Now here for the trigonometrical ratios of angle 45, we will make a isosceles right angle triangle. Here we are having this triangle as a isosceles right angle triangle. Therefore, now as this is a right angle triangle, therefore these two angles will be equal, and that too of 45 degree each. Now as we have taken these two sides A and A, we can find the length of AC by the help of Pythagoras theorem, and here we get the value of AC square as 2A square. Now by taking the square root on both the sides, we can find the value of AC as root 2A. Now with the help of all of the sides, we can find the value of sin 45, cos 45 and tan 45. Here we take for the sin 45, and for the sin 45 it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here we can take this angle as a 45 degree angle, as the base angle. Now for this will be a perpendicular and this will be a hypotenuse. So it will be AB upon AC. And we get the value of sine 45 as 1 upon root 2. Now take cos 45. Then we take cos 45, and here it is base upon hypotenuse. For this angle 45, this side BC is the base and this AC is hypotenuse. Now this BC is A upon root 2A, and that is equals to 1 upon root 2. Now for the tan 45, we have perpendicular upon base. For this angle, AB is perpendicular and the base is BC. And they both are equals to A, therefore they will cancel out by each other and will left as A, 1. So tan 45 is 1. Now here we have the trigonometric standard angle table. We have already find the value of 30, 45 and 60 degree. Here we are adding 0 and 90 degree. For the 0 degree, sin theta is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and 90 is 1. Now the values for the cos theta is just totally opposite to that of the sin theta. Here it starts from 0 to the 1, and in case of the cos theta it starts from 1 to the 0, and it can be written as, and here we get the values for the cos theta. Here it is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1, and in case of cos theta it is 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and then 0. Now we'll go for the tan theta. We all know that tan theta equals to sin theta upon cos theta. For the 0, we have 0 upon 1. 0 upon 1 means if we are going to divide any 0 by any number, you will be getting 0 only. So tan 0 is 0. Then 30. Tan 30 is just a division of these two, and here on dividing these two we can just cancel out the two denominators and we're left with 1 by root 3. Then in case of 45, they both are equal, so they are going to cancel out each other and we'll be getting 1. Then in case of 60, again 2 will be cancelled out and we will be left with only root 3. Then we have the 90, that is 1 upon 0. If any number is divided by 0, then it is not defined. So we can write infinity or not defined. Here we have all the base angles. Now the cot, sec and cosec, they all are the reciprocals of these all. Cot is a reciprocal of tan, sec is a reciprocal of cos and cosec is a reciprocal of sine. So to get the value of cot, you have to just make a reciprocal of this one. That is, if it is 0, this will become 1 upon 0. And 1 upon 0 is not defined, so it will be infinity, that is not defined. For the 30 degree, it will be 1 upon, this is 1 upon root 3, so this will become root 3. And here it is 1, so this will be 1 only. And here it is root 3, so this will become 1 by root 3. Now in this case, this is infinity, so it will be written as 1 upon infinity. And if any number is divided by infinity, it is 0. Then sec theta, that is a reciprocal of cos theta. And here we get the value of sec theta, that is the reciprocal of cos theta. It is 1, so the reciprocal of the 1 is 1. Root 3 by 2, so here it is 2 by root 3. This one is 1 by root 2, so this is root 2. Then here it is 1 by 2, so it became 2. Now the reciprocal of 0 is again not defined. Now in case of the cosec, this will be reciprocal of sine. And we'll start with the not defined only because it is 0. And here we get the 0 as not defined. Then it will be 2 as a reciprocal of 1 by 2. Then root 2, the reciprocal of 1 by root 2. Then 2 by root 3 as a reciprocal of root 3 by 2 and then 1. हमारे वीडियो में लास्ट तक बने रहने के लिए थैंक यू. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट ऑन इट.